Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you detailed insights into the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into a kitchen essential that makes handling ice a breeze. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the best small ice scoop for your freezer. Whether you're hosting a party, enjoying a refreshing beverage, or simply need ice for everyday use, having the right tool can make all the difference. This particular ice scoop stands out from the rest for several reasons, which we'll explore in detail. First off, let's talk about its design. Crafted from durable stainless steel, this scoop is built to last. Its sturdy construction ensures it won't bend or break, even when handling ice straight from the freezer. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, allowing you to scoop ice effortlessly without any strain on your wrist or hand. This makes it ideal for both adults and kids alike. What sets this scoop apart is its versatility. Not only is it perfect for ice, but it's also great for scooping other items like flour, candy, and more. Its compact size makes storage a breeze, fitting neatly into any kitchen drawer or container. Plus, cleanup is a cinch. Just toss it in the dishwasher, and you're done. No more fussing with hand washing or scrubbing. So, should you invest in the best small ice scoop for your freezer? Absolutely. Its durability, ease of use, and versatility make it a must-have for any kitchen. Whether you're preparing drinks, baking, or simply organizing your freezer, this scoop will quickly become your go-to tool. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews on products that make life easier. Until next time, happy scooping.